Setting up and using Proton wallet is straightforward. Follow the step-by-step guide to create your wallet, manage Bitcoin accounts, and start transacting securely. Step 1. Create a Proton account. Visit the Proton wallet sign-up page. Choose a Proton username and password. Complete the sign-up process by following the on-screen instructions. Step 2. Access Proton wallet. After creating your Proton account, go to Proton wallet and sign in using your Proton credentials. Upon your first login, a prompt will appear asking for your preferred currency. Select your desired currency. Click Create New Wallet to finalize the setup. Step 3. Create a Bitcoin wallet. In the Proton wallet interface, locate the left sidebar. Click or tap the plus button next to the wallet section. A pop-up window will appear. Enter a wallet name, choose your preferred currency. Optionally set up passphrase for added security. Click or tap Create New Wallet to complete the process. Step 4. Create a Bitcoin account. Each wallet can contain multiple Bitcoin accounts. Select the wallet you have just created from the left menu. Click or tap the plus Add Account button. In the pop-up window, enter a name for your new Bitcoin account. Optionally adjust the advanced settings. Bitcoin addresses type. Defaults to native SegWit for lower fees. Account index automatically set to the next available index. Click or tap Create Wallet Account. Step 5. Secure your Proton wallet. To ensure the safety of your assets, back up your seed phrase. Upon wallet creation, securely note down the seed phrase. This is crucial for wallet recovery. Set a strong passphrase. If you did not set one during wallet creation, consider adding a passphrase for enhanced security. Enable two-factor authentication. Add an extra layer of security to your Proton account by enabling two-factor authentication. For detailed security guidelines, refer How to Protect Your Proton Wallet. Step 6. Import an existing Bitcoin wallet. If you have an existing Bitcoin wallet in Proton wallet, click or tap the plus button next to the wallet sections. In the pop-up window, select Import Wallet, enter your existing wallet seed phrase, click or tap Import Wallet. Step 7. Buy Bitcoin. To purchase Bitcoin directly through Proton wallet, open Proton wallet and select the desired Bitcoin account. Click or tap the Buy button. Choose an on-ramp partner, example Ramp or Wangza. Follow the partner's instructions to complete your purchase. Step 8. Send and receive Bitcoin. Select the Bitcoin account you wish to use. Click or tap the Receive button. Share the displayed Bitcoin address with the sender. Sending Bitcoin. Select the Bitcoin account you wish to use. Click or tap the Send button. Enter the recipient's Bitcoin address and the amount. Confirm the transaction details and proceed. Step 9. Use Bitcoin via email. Proton Wallet offers a unique feature to send Bitcoin using email. Log into Proton Wallet on your device, navigate to Wallet Preferences, follow the on-screen instructions to enable and use this feature. Additional resources. Understanding Bitcoin. For newcomers, the Bitcoin Guide for New Users offers valuable insight.